Hurricane Dorian is now expected to hit even harder than previously thought, prompting a widened state of emergency in Florida. Moments ago, an emergency was declared in Georgia. This ominous view from the space station shows the storm morphing into a monster over the Atlantic earlier today. Dorian is now on track to make landfall early Monday, that's Labor Day, as a powerful Category 4 hurricane. It could be the strongest direct hit to Florida's East Coast since Hurricane Andrew in 1992.
Welcome, YouTube family. My name is Eric. This is the Eric Evolving channel. And if you guys don't know, well, you already know what to do. But if you guys don't know, I relocated here to Tampa, Florida, and Dorian decided to come join me down here. So, it's crazy. So, right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to show you guys how crazy it is in the stores as far as what's available. So, in my area, there's about 3 different Walmarts, a couple different Publix. So, we're gonna go out and just try to see if we can find water. Let's go. So first stop was to go to Ross and try to get me a couple of things. So I got me candle. It's pink, but it smells good. And it was only $8.99. Can't beat that. So if the lights go out, not only will my house have light, it will smell good. And I got me the portable thing for my phone, portable charger for my phone. So battery pack, candles, I'm all set with that. So now we go to Walmart. Probably should buy one of these coolers, but I ain't. But this is the water section. So as you can see, zero water. Do have a lot of soda though, and a lot of beer and wine. So a lot of beer, a lot of wine, but no water. So I just hit up the first Walmart, no water, as you can see. And the lines for the gas are starting to build up. Lines are building up for gas. So I'm gonna head to another Walmart, see if I have any luck there. But just wanted to give you guys an idea, man. See what it's like out here whenever there's a hurricane coming. A lot of wine, a lot of beer, again. But let's see if no water. So on my way to the next Walmart, I am passing a Target. So let's go see if Target has any water. Let's see what's good with Target right now. Found water, man. Looks like this Walmart got water. Somebody got water right here. They probably walked out with the last one. We're gonna go in there and see. So wherever they were, they're gone. All gone. guys just happen to get the last one, or where is it?
There's a line over there.
Oh, back in the back? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that. Esa es otra.
So they have a special line in here in Walmart. They have water, but you only get one case, and they have a special line for it. So it's not where the regular water section is. They just basically taking it off the crate or whatever it comes on, and you gotta line up back there. You gotta line up back there to get water, man. And you're limited to one case. So, mission accomplished. We found water. We actually found water 2 places. So, in the Walmart, they have water, just in case you guys didn't hear me. They do have water, but they have it like in the back, straight off the carton, and you could only get one. One per customer, that's it. And that's one case per customer. And it's that cheap, crappy water anyways. But you need water, right? It's Zephyr Hills. So if you're here with if there's 2 adults, then they'll give you 2. But if not, you get 1, and that's it. But I saw someone that had the hustle going, that they had a truck out here that they were selling the cases for $10 per case. So yeah, I respect the hustle, man. Like, there's a will, there's a way. So the guy had like a nice little box truck full of water. They're selling them for $10 a pop. So I am pretty sure he's gonna make some money, because he probably pays maybe about $3 or $2.50 each. They're making $7.50 each. Yeah, you send 10 of those, you make $75. So, and at this rate, if I was out of water, I would surely buy some water from him. But I'm good. I'm good, thank God. So, and hopefully we don't get this, this hurricane Dorian doesn't hit us too bad, and we'll be fine. But I just wanted to give you guys just a quick look, just to see what it's like down here in the beautiful, sunny Tampa, Florida. Yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.